Okay. We'll put some onion powder in there. I'll put some salt. Put some pepper, why not? Onions and some garlic in there in a minute. And I don't have a lid for this, so I'm just gonna put that on there. Ow. Yeah, these will work. Yeah. In hindsight, I probably should have put the onions in a little bit sooner, but it doesn't really matter that much. I do, however, need to get this bacon going. Very, very thin, like incredibly thin. Like, pieces are coming off on each other. Look at that. Is that 2 pieces? It is. Weird. Just put that in the middle, I guess.
Mustard, and it's great to serve with this kind of gingery tomato soup dip. But
This looks good. I think I have. Ooh, I do have a tomato. Look at that. For tortillas. Those chives look good too. Yeah, those look good. What's up, bud? Oop. Yep. Well, that'll just be the throwaway bacon. Why not? This pan is also incredibly hot. Alright, don't burn me now. Ow. That is popping so much. Ooh, it feels hot. Hey, sweetie. I can use some of these chives, right? Cool. I don't think I've ever chopped chives before. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna separate these from ones I didn't do a good job on and ones I did do a good job on. Like, look at how dull my knife is. It's just a rough chop. Might as... Yeah, it's fine. So I'm gonna let this cool down. I need to pour this out. Oh, yep. That melted the cup instantly. Okay. I'm not cleaning my cutting board because I don't really care to. That looks phenomenal.
The salad, I don't know if they watch this. I don't know if my neighbors Emily and Brian, I don't know if you guys watch this channel, but this is from their garden. Some nice arugula, beautiful arugula. That
I don't want to put too much on, because I'm not going to have much egg at all. So just a little bit of potatoes there. It's a healthy amount of bacon. Ooh. Yep, that's lovely.
dressing just runs off of them.
And then we'll put some cheese on that there. There will also be cheese on the eggs as well. Alright, get the egg in there. Get that going. And then we're gonna need to get that spinning like immediately. It's a little more grease in here than I wanted, but can't go wrong with grease on in your eggs. And some healthy little helping cheese there. Ooh, that's cheesy.
Some lemons from our backyard. Slowly whisking some olive oil. It's probably not gonna be super.
This one's for Emily, and she doesn't like tomatoes that much, so we'll only put a couple on there. I'm hoping I didn't load it up too much. And some light greens in there, yeah, that looks good. All right.
It helps the vinegar, or in this case the lemon juice, whatever the acid is, it helps it stick to the leaves, so that it doesn't all just drain to the bottom of the bowl. It also,
perfect.
All right, that's all ready to go. Let's get our tomatoes. Helps emulsify the sauce properly. We're gonna get that in the water. This was really great for breaking up things that are simmering or something. Adding water to a hot pan.
All right, well, my camera is at 6% battery, but that's the first burrito. Not terrible. I say that's okay. So I totally trashed my entire kitchen, but the second one turned out a little bit better. That one has some more chives in it. And then let's get this guy off of here. The roll also stayed together much better. Looks awesome. It's gonna do a cross section on it, but I don't want to. Alright, that's all.